there's been a really nice bounce back for Victorian restaurants. It was quite a slow year in 2012-2013. I think it's partly due to a few factors, probably a stronger economy, more people are out happy to spend, retail consumer confidence is a little bit higher, not so much lag from the GFC, so people are a bit happy to spend more money. And Western Australia has certainly been partly due to the mining boom. Even though that's slowing down, we still see some good figures coming through, and quite high improvements in Western Australian prices and average spend. Over the last 5 years, the average prices for dining out has dropped, but we've seen in the last 12 months that it's stagnated, and there's a little rise. There's probably a little bit more rise in the premium market, and quite a sort of steady flow in the lower end. And the mid-market dropped a little bit, but I think that's just due to the fact that people are starting to realise that's a really important market, and there's a lot of competition going on. Restaurants 10 years ago, the big thing was to have a website, and now about 96% of all restaurants do have websites, but only 22% have a mobile site. And the engagement from customers using mobile devices is so much higher than what restaurants are sort of sitting at. If you want customers to engage with you, that it's worth considering a mobile site. It really is. If you have a site that is just specifically designed for PC, when you're looking on the phone, we see it all the time. It's something that just doesn't scale well on the phone. Things are all over the place. The buttons are too small. It's really hard to just get somebody to engage or even make a reservation online. 47% of all bookings are made within 24 hours, and there's a real steep rise in bookings made within 1 to 4 hours and then 6 to 10 hours, and a lot of that traffic is coming from mobile devices. So I think it's for restaurants, it's really opening up your availability, having as much availability online, and having it right up through service, having it on available at all times. There's over 17 million restaurant searches on Google per month. It's over 200 million a year. And 63% of those people actually haven't made a decision. So if you don't have a presence online, and a good one, then you're invisible.